history of supporting AIDS. Did you know that nearly 39,000 people are diagnosed with AIDS every year? This fact can be shocking as well as saddening. AIDS stands for Acquired Immune Deficiency Syndrome. Many health organizations have been doing whatever they can to find a cure for this horrid disease. People have been infected since the 1960s, and over the years, medical organizations have been working on several drugs to slow the spread of this disease. Today, the survival rates have increased. However, people need to become aware of this, otherwise, more people will be infected. For a long time, AIDS was considered to be a disease that could slowly but surely kill people. During the 60s, AIDS most likely originated, but during that time, people had no knowledge of it. When the 70s arrived, the disease spread further, and the medical communities finally became aware. Many believe that started in Africa after humans came into contact with chimpanzees. In 1986, the first drugs were finally developed. During the 90s, zidovudine reduced the risk of a transition from a parent to a child. Currently, 1 million cases were reported and were the main cause of death for people who are aged 25 to 44. When the 2000s arrived, AIDS was considered to be the fourth biggest cause of death. In the early 2010s, the AIDS Drug Assistance Program has worked on more than 80 drugs approved by the United States Food and Drugs Administration. As of today, we have no cure for this disease. When patients work out a treatment plan, they need to have willingness as well as readiness to begin the therapy. Drug treatments can help slow the virus in the patient's body. For example, nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitors can help maintain effectiveness. The improvement of treatment has everybody convinced that AIDS can be fought. Based on the research, AIDS have different survival rates. Between the mid-80s and the mid-2010s, patients were investigated to estimate survival rates after being diagnosed. The survival rate for the patients has gone up to 67% and 88%. Today, it is such a relief to see that the survival rates have improved.